Welcome back to another video of Adventures Unleashed with me, Thrill Seeker Steve. And today we were at the Auto Club Speedway, also known as Fontana Raceway. Now they closed this in 2023, and I heard there started a little bit of construction. They're building warehouses, but we're gonna go down, take a look, and see how close we can actually get. Let's check it out. We do see a white truck, looks like security. I'm gonna try to get myself seen, and maybe I can ask for permission. I mean, that'll be a bummer if I got to do my video from out front of the place, but let's see if a security guard is nice enough to let us in for maybe 30 minutes to an hour. So we have made it to the front. Looks like we're at the VIP G Auto Club parking lot. And as you can see, right there is the entrance to Fontana Speedway. So let's get closer and see what we could see. The security guard wasn't paying attention to me, so I was trying to get his attention. Maybe he's listening to music in his truck, but let's see how far we can get. And of course, Brian is with me. Say what up. He's working on a entrance here. I am a little nervous. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't want to be rolled up on by cops or something, but this is crazy. It's like a deserted, abandoned track. Look at the parking lot, just growing weeds. Slowly Earth's taking it back. So Auto Club Speedway opened in '97 for its first race in 1997. It was purchased by Roger Penske, who I believe purchased the property. It could have been 94, 95, around there, but it wasn't open for its first race until '97. So there's so much rich history here with NASCAR. I mean, even I've been here for a few races back in the '90s. And you know, I just wanted to come and check it out before it's gone. So this was a steel mill factory at one time, and they did many years of business and contaminated the ground, dirt, you know, water level, whatever. So they weren't allowed to build anything. So Roger Penske was like, what if I seal it off with concrete? Can I build a, you know, NASCAR track? And that's exactly what he did, until unfortunately 2023 was its last race. And now the Earth's taken this place back, as you can see. Let me turn it around. Look at all these weeds right here in the front. That is a trip. It is so sad. And I wanted to come here and show you guys before all this is gone. So let's see, you know, what it looks like now. We are at Gate C. This is just like, it looks like it's just abandoned. Even the crow up there, or the hawk, is telling us what's up, but it's a falcon. Whoa. But yeah, look at all these weeds. This is so sad. This is the entrance to one of the gates here. Tumbleweeds, literally. Let's put my camera in. This is what it looks like now. There's about a quarter of the track left. They did build some warehouses to the right of us, way over there. And they're taking all this back. I heard there is, you know, stories that they may build a short course style track here, and I guess time will tell. Look what we found here in the front. I mean, everyone with their plaques here. Check that out, with the signatures. They got their footsteps. I mean, what are they gonna do with all this? I'm not a crazy NASCAR fan, so I don't know much of these guys, but I mean, this is just sad that all this is just gonna be going away. Like, aren't they gonna come and root this up and get it back to their families? I don't know. This is like a memorial, I guess, plaque walkway here, almost like the Walk of Fame. Look at all that. Whoa, this dude stepped in pretty heavy.
Tap my shoe sucks. Well powered, same size shoe as me.
You almost got your shoe in there.
Almost.
Looks like this is guest services. Right here, they're ticket booths. It's like a ghost town over here now. What's that box?
Printer.
It's a printer. And here we are on Sunset and Jeff Gordon Drive. Look at that. You got a car? Uh-oh, we're busted. Look at all these signs. I think we're caught. We'll go see what this murdered out SUV thing is gonna tell us. So we just talked to the security guard. Let's see if I could zoom in a little bit. There she goes. She said I wasn't allowed to film on the property. That's okay, we can get most of it done from here. But from the aerial views and the research that I've done, there's about a quarter of the track left, and they built some boring ass warehouses down there right on I believe turn 1. So yeah, this track looks like it's under construction. But what's strange is they have these new parking lots that are freshly concreted right here. So they had 2 of them, one on the back side of the track and one over here by the west gate. So maybe they are going to build a short course, you know, track over here for people to race on. We'll just have to see, you know, what happens. But I just wanted to come here and show you guys, you know, what's left of the Auto Club Speedway. And if you haven't seen my other videos, go check it out. I've done the Corona road race history from the 1800s. I just filmed Corona Speedway, or Corona Raceway if you want to call it. That was a cool video, and people, you know, commented, hey, you should come check out Fontana. Like, they're bulldozing it down. It's gone as well. So, you know, I love doing these abandoned or forgotten about, or even, you know, taken down tracks. So maybe I should go check out, you know, Riverside Raceway over in Moreno Valley. But I wanted to come over here before it's completely gone, because you never know what could happen here. Look at these trams just sitting here, rotting away. But these are all the trams that they used to, you know, haul people from their parking spot to the races. And they're all just sitting here. I don't know, it reminds me of like a deserted amusement park or something. But it does have a quiet and creepy feel here than what it used to be. And right here is the Busch patio. I did have some beers there, and I remember Pontiac and, you know, GM and the cars can bring, you know, their latest cars here and display them. And I remember my dad was looking at a Pontiac Grand Prix. It was a V6 and it was silver, and my dad actually sat in it, loved it, and he bought the same color. But yeah, it was based, the body style was based on a NASCAR, and we ended up owning that thing for many years. But I remember my dad looking at it here at NASCAR at Fontana, and he ended up buying it, which is cool. So I remember many years ago, me and my wife came here with our friends. We were here to see, it was like a super concert. I remember it was midsummer. This asphalt was like radiating some crazy UV heat. I was dying, and they were giving out ice cold like towels, and believe it or not, that saved my life. But we were here to see Eminem, and believe it or not, Kiss was playing here, as well as Papa Roach. And I remember that was like, as soon as the sun set, I had the greatest time, you know, seeing all those big bands. Like, I don't think I'd ever be able to go see Eminem again, you know, Kiss or maybe Papa Roach. But right here was that big stage where they performed, and yeah, that was a blast. So we're over here at the NASCAR Information O'Reilly's Gate D. As you can see, we have a deserted building here, probably for Gate D, you know, information. Well, let's take a peek inside. I mean, you can tell This is all just rotting away now. Let's see what's inside this thing. They left it to where I can just put my camera right into that thing. Whoa. Whoop. I'm gonna try to track this little hill and see if I can get some of the track if I don't eat shit. Let's see what we get. No. Looks like it's just the stands. Oh, there's some of the track right there. Let me get it to where I could zoom in so you guys can see some of the bank right there. Is that bank 3? Yeah. Right there. That's what's left of the track. What a trip. Fun and full speed ahead. And there's the bleachers in all its glory, right before they probably tear this all down. So we did get kicked out. We're getting hit up by security guards left and right. So we'll take our walk of shame down Jimmy Johnson Boulevard. Drive. Well, that'll do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe. I'll take you on another venture. Hey, what should I do next? See you in that next video.